Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dison and today I am doing this Glory Land eyeshadow makeup look. I'm going to first start off with my NYX Pigment Eyeshadow Primer to prime my lids. And then I'm going to use this Luxaja, I think that's how you pronounce it, Glory Land eyeshadow palette. And the first color I'm going to use is first I'm going to swatch the Dignity color. That's the matte brown shade, and I also used Ashes, it's the black shade, and then the other color I used is Honor, which is the transition shade. So this is the transition shade I'm applying right now, which is Honor, out of this Glory Land eyeshadow palette. And I forgot to actually record me packing on the eyelid the Dignity color. But then I got back on track using the Ashes color to do the, what do you call it? The outer corner. Yeah. And then I just kind of blended it out into the Dignity color to make a very flawless look. And it is a very beautiful nude, or natural, what do you want to call it? Yeah, okay, neutral look. Yeah, neutral eyeshadow look. So I don't normally do these on my channel, but I thought this Glory Land eyeshadow palette was absolutely beautiful, so I had to do it. Right here I'm just blending out the Ashes color, but I'm also going back in with Dignity, and then I go back into Honor to make the perfect blend on the outside corner. I just kind of go back and forth until it's just perfect to me. And then I'm going in with the eyeliner from Luxaja. It comes with the eyeliner, and this is the best eyeliner I think that I have ever used. I think this is even better than my Milani liquid eyeliner. That is my absolutely favorite. And this whole makeup set with the eyeshadow palette, 20 eye patches, and the eyeliner is $10, which they have 3 different eyeshadow palettes to choose from. The link to it will be in my description box. It is from Amazon, and this is cruelty free, so get your hands on it. And yeah, I love it. I love this set. Then I'm going in with my Ardell 854 eyelashes, and I'm using my Kiss eyelash clear adhesive to do my eyelashes, and they are absolutely beautiful. Next, I'm going to go in with my Thrive Cosmetics mascara, since I forgot to do it before my lashes. And I'm just going to basically blend in my real lashes with my falsies, and also do my bottom lashes with this mascara. Next, I'm going to use my Milani Soft Focus Glow face primer, and I'm going to prime my face using this. I absolutely love this primer. It feels so good, moisturizing, and it has a nice you know, bronzy glow to it. So I love it. I'm now going to go in with my CC Thrive Cosmetics Buildable Blur CC Cream as my foundation, I guess. And as you can tell, it's really dark compared to the rest of my skin. I should have got a shade lighter, but I'll make it work. Now I'm using my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Hydrate Concealer just to put under the eyes for the extra coverage. And I'm using the e.l.f. sponges. They come in a trio. I already lost the middle sized one, but this is the small one, and the one you saw earlier was the big one out of the e.l.f. trio. The powder I'm using today is the Thrive Cosmetics powder. I absolutely love this powder. It just works really, really good. It's really light, airy, and as you can see, I'm kind of pinching my powder brush to go under the eyes, and then I just set the rest of my face with the leftover. Since I have dry skin, this is just the perfect powder for me. To do the brows, I'm using the Joa, I think it's like the mechanical brow pencil. No, this is the wooden brow pencil, and I think it's the taupe color. And I'm doing my brows with this. It's just really easy to use, and Joa is a CVS brand, so you can only get it at CVS. It's nice, affordable, and I love their brow products. Now I'm going back in with the Luxaja palette, and I'm using that lighter color to go on the lower lash line and yeah, the lower lashes, basically the under color in it. Now I'm going to use these little rhinestones and the clear lash adhesive from Kiss to jazz up this look and make it more glorified. Yeah, there you go, whatever. I've been having really fun with these stones, or rhinestones, and I think I got them from Wish. Now I'm going to use my Smashbox Cali Contour palette, and I'm using the cool toned bronzer to bronze up my face, and I'm also going to be using the blush that's in it and the highlighter, which is a very subtle highlight, all in the Smashbox Cali Contour palette. I love this palette so much. Now I'm going to use my very favorite NYX Suede lip liner in Cold Brew and do my lip line. On top of that, I'm using the e.l.f. Plumping Lip Gloss in Champagne Glow, and they are the perfect combination for each other, especially with this eyeshadow look. And to finish off this look, I'm going to use the LA Girl Shimmer Spray to set my face. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this little makeup tutorial. I hope you enjoyed the voiceover. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you buddies next time. Bye!